Hi, I'm Connor, and welcome to Launch Week. When something goes wrong in your application's background, be it a background job or a continuous process, you tend not to notice until something goes wrong downstream. This can be expensive, costly, and confusing, and can also have a huge impact on your end users. That's why we built Process Monitoring, a tool that helps you keep check on all the processes that matter to your application. Essentially, if it can send an API request, we can monitor it. And we built a tool that makes it easier than ever to make sure that every process that matters is monitored and lets you know as soon as something goes wrong. With AppSignal, these processes will never fail silently again. You can track your scheduled jobs and get an alert if one fails to start, fails to finish, or runs off schedule. You can use heartbeat monitors to tell you the moment that a continuous process stops or goes quiet. The setup is simple too. Simply create an identifier, define your schedule, and add a check-in helper to your code. You can be up and running with process monitoring in minutes. And if it's not even in your codebase, AppSignal-wrap adds the same monitors anywhere in your stack, without having to make any major changes to your codebase at all. AppSignal puts process monitoring center stage, helping you answer the questions that matter about your background jobs, with the ability to deep dive into individual process runs for granular performance insights. You can answer questions like, is my process running on schedule? Which occurrence failed or ran too long? And what error or log belonged to which run? With process monitoring, you can monitor everything from cron jobs and scheduled tasks to background workers, job queues, MQTT brokers, database servers, backups, the list goes on. Essentially, if it can make an API call, we can monitor it. AppSignal has all the tools you need to make sure all of your critical infrastructure is up and running. AppSignal centralizes all of your process monitoring data into one single place. You can view the schedule, latest failure, latest success, and latest event of each of these jobs. You can click into any of these processes to see more detailed information, including the last 5 occurrences and the last 5 failures. There's also a notebook, so you can leave a note for your future self or a colleague if you come in to fix something that went wrong. You can view each individual occurrence. The detailed information include their start time and actual duration and status. AppSignal makes it easy to monitor your application. You get access to an entire monitoring toolkit, and that includes error tracking, performance monitoring, host monitoring, anomaly detection, uptime monitoring, metric dashboards, log management, and more. AppSignal integrates seamlessly into your AI workflows. Our MCP server and CLI put your process monitoring data straight into your editor and terminal, meaning you don't even have to open your browser to deploy a fix to production. And that's it. As ever, everything you've just seen is available to all customers on all plans, including our free plan. Our documentation outlines all the information you need on how to make the most out of our process monitoring tool and get things set up, including documentation for AppSignal-wrap. If you need any additional help, you can always reach our support team. They're happy to help and answer any of your process monitoring questions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and happy monitoring.